What's up everybody? Tito James here, and today we're taking a look at the all-new Hyundai Stargazer. Now this is Hyundai's first time to enter a very hotly contested segment, which is the compact 7-seater MPV segment. It's my first time to see this car. I'm gonna take you along for the ride and give you my absolute first impressions. Come on, there's bound to be a few surprises. All right, normally I do my research before I get into a new test drive. But this one I thought, let's try it a little bit different. Let's just try and get caught by surprise. As soon as you sit in the car, you know that you're sitting in something that feels a little more premium than what we're used to in the segment. The ride feels very insulated and dampened, which gives it a more premium feel. Power-wise, it's a 1.5. It is designed more as a city runabout. It is a CVT, so it uses a continuously variable transmission, but with more intelligent features on it. This allows it to respond more dynamically, and it doesn't have that droning effect. So as far as space is concerned inside, you actually feel everything from the shoulder room to the leg room. I mean, I'm 6'1" in the car, adjusted already for my driving position, and yet when I get in the back seat, I still have enough leg room. Another thing that I really appreciate, the rear backrest recline, not just in the second row, but in the third row as well. Sometimes I can kind of handle the lack of leg room if that's the issue, but what I can't handle is an upright position. Another thing I like is the whole display system over here. It's all digital and it just has a nice sort of matte finish towards it. It doesn't pick up any reflections. It carries through to the entertainment system. It's also great that they include the wireless charging, and wireless charging for me only makes sense if you can have wireless Apple CarPlay, and this one does have it. Another thing I think should be pointed out that you don't normally see in this class is the adaptive cruise control. Now this is massive. You can keep your foot off the gas and just keep your eye on the road. It also has a slew of safety features. You've got the frontal collision control, you've got the rear collision control with cross alert as well. You've also got the blind spot monitors over here. So it's good to see that they're taking safety seriously even at this entry-level MPV for Hyundai. So it's good to see that they're putting all the top shelf safety stuff in here. Now let me just show you some of the design features I really appreciate, especially from the outside. I'm loving this whole look here. You see it in the Staria. It's super modern, it's super futuristic. I love the DRL and the fact that they're also the turn signals. These are your main headlights here. It's nice and flush with the grille, and over at the back you've also got LED lights. And I just like the treatment that they come all the way down and they've got that cross look and it connects all the way. Really nice. And there you have it. That wraps up my little sneak peek of the Hyundai Stargazer, which is the latest entry into the 7-seater compact crossover MPV segment. Personally, I think it's great because it injects excitement not just into the brand Hyundai, but also into a segment that we once looked at as just utility. Now, with all these added features and great designs, it adds desirability into it as well. So, hope you can take a closer look at it. Till then, my name's James Deakin. I'll catch you guys on the road. Drive safely, everyone.